Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. Today I want to show you 7 defensive strategies you can use when sailing in inland waters for safer sailing. If you sail short-handed, consider sitting to leeward for better visibility. That way you can keep a lookout under the headsail foot to sight objects ahead and to leeward. You may already use transits, also called ranges, where you line up 2 objects ahead of the bow to help you stay on your intended sailing track. But you can also use this strategy with objects astern. Look astern over your shoulder and find 2 objects in line. Use these 2 objects to help you maintain the center of channel. Study a large-scale chart of your sailing area. It could be easier to stay outside of the dredged channels to avoid lots of boat and ship traffic. Use this strategy to make sailing easier and less stressful. Use tidal currents to your advantage. Bucking a head current in a slow sailboat can be a tough job. Take advantage of fair currents for faster point-to-point passages. Teach your sailing crew how to stop your boat under sail alone. If you release the sheets and lift your hand off the wheel or tiller, the boat will turn up into the wind. You could stop faster if you push the mainsail boom out against the wind. Practice these 2 easy techniques with your crew this sailing season. If you step on a bunch of lines after tacking, trimming, or jobbing, these can roll under your feet and cause you to lose your balance. Coil each sheet or line and place it onto the cockpit locker to keep it off the deck. You could toss sheet tails down the companionway or contain them in small bags installed in your cockpit. Keep your decks clear for safer sailing. Choose boat anchors that work well for your sailing area. Most sailors sail close to home, so it makes good sense to select anchors that work well there. Talk to local commercial and veteran skippers so that you can make a more informed decision for safer anchoring. Now you know 7 ways to sail more defensive this sailing season. Use these easy sailing tips to help you sail safer on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.